We start with the weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as you can see, based on the weekly chart, we get the internal flat as a three waves structure, and the prices are tagged the lowest. The lowest one was 11 cent. I want to see whether the price can reverse from here or not. Okay, or this one can turn to more complex correction. But based on weekly, we don't see any reversal point. That's mean we don't have the divergence. And if we move to lower time frame to daily chart, this is what we see. All right, we are within this downtrend, and we discuss about this one based on weekly. You want to see whether this is the last wave or not. By the way, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned we want to see the reversal. We do the breakout of this one. That's why I mentioned with the breakout of the 14, we can expect the price drop to 11 cents. As we can see exactly the price tag 11, then we see the reversal. Now the question is whether this is the start of the down move or not. Because if the price couldn't reverse from here, the next drop, simply we can see the breakout of the 11 cent. And based on daily chart, the bigger picture we see is losing the momentum, and as well here. That's why right now we're looking at this one. If the price consolidate here, if this one turns a deeper correction, then any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And still we are looking to see the breakout of the 24 following by 27. Then from there, we can look for 36. And by the way, we don't see any trade setup. And every time we get the sharp move, we see the reversal. Now, if this one is going to be in relative to any of this, the next drop, simply we can expect the price drop, break 11, and even we can expect the price drop to 8 cents. Okay, that's why I mentioned if the price consolidate here for longer time, it can give us better opportunity for the next trade. By the way, we don't have any trade setup at this point. The only thing is in the bigger picture, we see the daily chart is losing the momentum. Now, if this one turn to a correction for the next drop, maybe we can see if the price could this break the previous low, maybe we can expect to see the divergence. But at this point, even based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. The only thing is we want to see if the price could break the previous low, which is somewhere around 14 cents. Then from there, if we get the reversal, we can look for buy. We are not really interested to look for sell. That means we have to wait. And even based on 1 hour chart, can we expect this one turn to flat for one move up before we get the next drop? Having entry above this can be an option, but it's not a really good idea because simply the price can tag, drop. That's why we have to wait. The best thing is if the price could at least tag the previous low 14, then from there we can look for next trade if we see the reversal. If the price could recover, but at this point we have to wait. And having entry above this is really risky. Okay. By the way, we just follow the chart. We don't see really good trade setup opportunity there for buy or sell. And as I mentioned, based on daily chart, the best things is if this one turn to a correction, then it can give us better opportunity and confirmation for the next move. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And mostly whatever the trade we get based on lower time frame will be a short-term trade. Thanks.